Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, I'm discuss very important question will be here. So lot of people asking this question in my YouTube comment box. Sir, how to adding the video, Facebook page story and Facebook profile story. So what does it mean by story option? So they coming to here, the people are watching in this option will be these all will be particular stories. They update by in this option. How they updating for video or updating photo will be in this option. In this purpose, we have to using for Facebook Video Studio. In this simple, just select the photo option and where is your photo? Select the photo and click here and we can go for share the story option. But where we can stay by the videos, where we can stay by the videos. Now we can refresh here. The image will update in for in this option. So how we can update in for video on your Facebook page option. In this purpose, we have to use your Facebook mobile application. Which one you can use? Facebook mobile application. So guys, you know already this option. This only for I'm explaining for as a freshers who will be adding the video. The video will be certain second you have to manage, not for the minutes. The certain second you can adding for particular story option. How we can adding? The simple one here. You can go to open your Facebook page option. In this Facebook page, where your name will be here, you can click for here plus symbol. I'm clicking here. Here option will be called create story. In this, your video will be there, add and click for share now. The video will be shared. Where you can check, here will be refresh. You can check will option will be on your Facebook page profile option will be here. Now you can check in this. The video will be shown to the customer in this particular prevalence. So these all option only possible by using mobile application. They're only using for mobile application will be possible. So how many videos you can add? You can add by in your particular Facebook page option will be valid. But image is valid for the using for desktop. So video will be adding for using for mobile application. So these are certain things we can use and add the video. Once again repeat. Here we can go to option, click for plus option. Here create a story. In this we can select any kind of video. Now click for share now. The story was created where you can check who will be people will be like your page. The story will be shown to the customers in the story option. So anyone we can add the video on your story button on your Facebook page only is allowed for the Facebook business page option that only for through mobile app. When using desktop, that only possible by the image will be added here. So we can showing for photos also. So that is a major thing you have to understanding for where you can add the video on the Facebook story only possible for the using mobile application. So use the mobile application, add your number of videos on your Facebook stories, the people watching for in this option and a particular things here. So everyone who will be adding for this one. So you can check for everything will be here. But video also watching for only for mobile application. The video watching for where? Only for mobile application. I can show here in the mobile application. Go to mobile application. Now click here. The video showing to where? Only for mobile users. See this. So this is the particular things you can add the video. Only photo and text will be shown for desktop users. The video showing only for mobile users. If you add the video also in your desktop, you can see this one. They continue in the video will be showing for desktop mode, but adding the video will be only possible by using mobile application. So this is a format we can use and follow the add the video on the Facebook page by using for Facebook business page application. That will be better. We can show to customer your video. Maximum we can using for 30 seconds. Video will be most important. But guys, the video will be watching for most of the people will be watching for only for mobile users they will be watching for videos. The desktop use very less people will be using for videos. So the risk are video will adding for mobile, the video will watching for desktop and mobile version also. So this is a policy we can follow. Add the video on your Facebook page story, Facebook profile story using for Facebook application on your mobile for Android and iOS version. So guys, anyone you have facing any problem for adding video, please comment me in the comment box. I definitely will be support on your particular how we adding for Facebook videos, how we'll be making videos and upload for Facebook business page. If you like the video, please like and share the video and subscribe our channel to more know about the videos on our channel option. So this is a method we have to follow that to increase the story option. There's nothing but increase your business lead. The people know about your particular website and YouTube channel, and number of options will be used in the particular video and a particular photo option. So always remember, desktop will be support text and photo. Mobile will be supporting for video, photo, and text will be support on the particular adding for Facebook page story and Facebook profile story option. Don't forget, this is very important for the Facebook business marketing purpose.